I am excited to share with you some tips and tricks of the Canvas Learning Management System. Today we're going to go over 6 features to help you with your instruction. The first one is going to be about presenting content to the students using lesson plans and how to post a slideshow presentation. The second feature is going to be about assessing the students and their progress through the use of quizzes and assignments. The third feature is going to be about communicating expectations to your students and parents through the use of announcement boards. The fourth is going to be facilitating discussions and promoting healthy socialization through the use of discussion boards. The fifth is going to be about record keeping and interfacing with the institution through gradebooks and settings. And the last is going to be about keeping students productive on task through the use of to-do lists. Within Canvas to present contents to your students is through the use of modules. As you can tell, I've created Unit 1 module here, and it's got a lesson plan, and you can click on the lesson plan to actually see the detailed information. I've also created a sub-content piece within Unit 1 called the Unit 1 Overview, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it to show you how simple it is to link to content within the Canvas system. So see here, there's an edit button. The great feature here is that you have all these WYSIWYG features within the text that you can use. So I've already created some text. I've linked to a document that I have within the Canvas file system. So you can see I have course files, and I can easily just drag and drop them into the text. I can also create links to discussion posts. So as you can tell, this is an overview, and I can go in and link to various components or assignments that are for the lesson. You can also link to external links. So you can click the link to URL, and you can actually link out to various contents, publications that you want your students to see. Another feature of Canvas is the ability to create quizzes to assess your students and their progress. So I've created a sample quiz, and I can go in here and actually review the quiz. As you can tell, I've got instructions, I've got the type of quiz, how many points it's worth. Going into the edit feature, I can actually go in and change any of the content that I need to. So this is just kind of an overview. And it also has all the types of quiz options that you have within Canvas. So you can see here the type of quiz, groups, if you want to shuffle the answers, if you need a time limit. You can also create multiple quizzes and assign them to various students. So that helps with the ability to cut down on the potential for cheating. And then the great thing is you've got a lot of different question options. So you can hear I've got a fill in the blank question, and there's a variety of different types of questions that you can answer, or you can choose. A great way to communicate expectations to students and parents. You can do this maybe every time you load a unit, or to remind students that they have assignments that are coming due, maybe to send something out just to clarify an assignment. So you can see here I've got a welcome introductory announcement for students. It's very easy just to go in and actually click announcement, and it gives you, again, the WYSIWYG options to go in and format text as needed. And the great thing is, too, you can have students comment. So maybe you're saying, hey, is everybody doing okay? Please comment, let me know that you're getting through the assignments. Again, to kind of test where everybody is. Great features of Canvas is discussions, which allows you to post discussion questions, get feedback from students, or have students interact with each other. So as you can tell, I've created a discussion post called the Scavenger Hunt. It's one of the assignments in the current events course. And when I go in here to create it, I can actually put in a variety of text, links if I need to. And the neat part is that you can set options. So if you want users to post before they see anyone else's post, you can do that. You can grade the post so that it's a part of their assignments. You can also put it into group discussions, or choose due dates. So if you have a discussion post that's a graded assignment to due by a specific time, you can go in and set that as well. Discussions are a great way to facilitate and kind of prompt that healthy socialization amongst students, and a great feature of Canvas. This feature within Canvas allows you to take a quick look at students and how they're doing in the course. There's also a learning mastery component where you can go in and actually kind of get more of a color-coded view of students and how they're doing. One other feature that I'll mention is the settings option. So if you have students that maybe aren't mastering the subject, or just falling behind, and you're trying to figure out maybe what that missing component is, what's going on, there's an option within settings that you can go in and you can actually go to your course statistics and actually go in under students and kind of see maybe they haven't logged in a week, and so they're just not getting in frequently enough to get through the assignments. Another great thing is maybe you just have, a lot of students that are just, not keeping up with assignments. So you need to go in here and just kind of say, hey, are we getting through all the assignments, and just kind of get more of a course overview or course statistics. There's a lot of great features in the settings. Another one that I'll just mention, it's not really related to, record keeping, but it is a great feature is the student view. So maybe you're just not articulating information out to the students or not posting enough content for them. So going into the student view allows you to kind of keep up with how the students are seeing your course and interacting in the course from the student view, not necessarily from the instructor view. Students on Task is to create due dates on all of your assignments and discussion posts. And by doing that, it automatically creates a to-do list for the student. So as you can tell, I have a discussion post that's due October 5th. And if I go into the settings, like I showed you earlier, and into the student view, you can see here on the right side of the navigation in the student view that they have kind of a to-do list. So they know what to be working on as it relates to the course. And this is a great way for them to kind of stay productive and stay on task.